Entonces, we're going again. Parada. So here, right? Entonces, the position is here. Entonces, what I did right now, what we did is this, right? She was moving, and I go with her, right? Entonces, when I got to that position here, because I don't know, I need to tell a secret to Anita. I relax my hands, because I don't want to people know that I'm getting close to her. I relax my hand and getting close. Entonces, then I free my feet to walk with her in the barrida, right? So you see the difference is here, right? I'm in the position. If I move my movement forward by me not isolating my arm, she's gonna walk, but with me. I'm gonna do the same later on, but right now, I relax my arm to get closer, yeah, and now I tell her we're gonna go. I am not pushing my foot to her. Just I ask the same as before. I ask her to walk, right? Just the only thing that right now, the walk is more or less with her. Yeah, in the same time, more or less no, very much is in the same timing than her. Does that make sense a little bit? Bye?
So you let the force be absorbed by your...
I just relax my arm and give a hug to her. I relax my upper body, right? Entonces, I'm here, right? Entonces, I just get and say, oh, give me a hug. How are you, right? Entonces, I am telling her, get out of my way. Right? I can say, oh, how are you? And then I move my foot. And then after that, I move forward my last millimeter till she can walk. So I release the tension, right? Because I'm here, I'm getting very close to her. I'm here. And over here, what I do is just to leave her to walk. And I walk in with her. Yeah, I continue walking. And after here, you say?
So we don't do any cross after.
Oh, after here, you say?
Yeah.
Just to here, to this moment. And then just, we're going to walk forward. We're
And
not
then
gonna
reset.
the reset, for the moment. The reset, because you're not going to be too much information. Thank
So
you.
now look, there is a lot of important things here, and Pierre can attest because he's in this class for 127 years. So he knows every single little elements. He can teach it back and forward. But look, with the Barridas, like you see it for the those of you who see it for the first time, it's like, oh, you know, like what just happened, right? But those of us who know is like, why are you not doing this, right? So those of you who are in the vibe, why are you not doing it? Slow down, because people are doing it for the first time, right? So you need to set it up correctly, right? So one thing, Hernan is gonna explain the details that we wanna pay attention. But one thing to start with, right? We said, okay, take a normal size steps. Yes, when you're doing this, or just take a normal size step. Now, when you know the barrida means a push, yeah? Barrida is coming. Before the barrida is a parada, stop. Don't shorten your step, yeah? Because then the guy is gonna fall over you, right? So he still needs the space, yes? He needs the space. If you stop here and he's already here, there is no pushing, yeah? So we're gonna talk all the details, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, refer to what the Anita says there, right? And this. One of the problems will happen all the time to everybody is that you will prepare yourself like you did right now. You prepare yourself there, right? And it's gonna happen to everybody. I mean, what is me preparing? You say, okay, here. This, that's not. What is the right place? The right place is where your axis is falling. My axis falls there, that's the right place. That's the correct place. That's the right place to be. This one is not the right place. That one, this one, that's not the right place because your axis never move. This one, my axis never move. Look, I'm here on the wall. This one, right? This one? No, it's not. How it will be? Oh, that one. Yeah, it's where the body is going. So you cannot region it. You will not help at all as a follower by placing your place there before they happen. You will not, right? Because where she is, she's there. Right? So I need to be here. That's my place, but she got there. I propose her to fall there. Because I'm already close to her, I'm here. I prepare. From here, I only tell her, let's walk. Entonces, I keep it, it's like my hands are here and I say to her, let's do this. Or let's do that. Yeah, it's just it's a contact. It's not a real push, right? It's not a real push. And the movement can be done in many places. Yeah, she's there. I'm here. I need her there. I get in closer. My leg is free. We walk into it.
So talk about maybe
Yeah.
this.
And so now, for the leader, right? First, focus as a follower. Wherever you land there, the leader will find you.
Just land beautifully, that's all.
That's it, right? Don't prepare yourself here. No. Wherever the land is, you have to feel in your body. Leader now. That foot for her is extremely important, right? Secrets. Right? That I have to build in geometry one perfect bridge or a tunnel or a channel or a canal for water to the ships passing through. Panama, right? There. You see? My foot, her foot. Perfect. Yeah? If you want to come in closer to see it, come in see it. No problem. Look, this. This.
One foot between.
You see that space? It has to exist there. Yeah, that's perfect.
My foot and
This space here. It has to be perfect. So for that space right here, the boat, it will pass. Right? If this is like this, it cannot work. My leg is crooked. If this is like that, it's not gonna work. If this is too far away from here, it's too far away for me or too far away for her, right? If this is too here, it's too far away for her. It has to be right there.
so that tunnel is the first thing to build, yeah?
Yeah. If you build that, yeah, does that mean the more experience you have, I can build that tunnel by bringing her to my foot. But by now, because it's difficult, it's much easier for you to stop her, prepare your feet, give a hug, sweep in that tunnel. Do we see it? Does it have to be like a, later on you gotta do eyes closed, that, right? By now you can look at it. You have to, it's like everything. I mean, okay. There. So I know it's gonna be that position. So whatever you do, you have to land in here.
Okay, one more thing.
Uh-huh.
So first we build the tunnel. Then second important thing is how to, so he already said to arrive here to give me a hug, but that also has another thing. He's now above his new leg, yes? He's now on this leg. So now we only have one problem left, how to find this leg.
That leg, it has the same dimension of the other one, the same walk. Because if you see the tunnel, that leg is in my way right now, on my walk. Right? It's in the way of my walk. Right? So when I do that, my foot alone is when I find that leg. I don't have to be seeking where the leg is. My foot just find it. Yeah? And then when we move, because I feel the little contact, we move in together. Do we see it? Can we try it? Yes. Change pan.